there. Welcome to Solo and Smart, my YouTube channel. Thank you for joining me today, and I'm continuing the conversation on things to evaluate when you're looking at the years ahead or planning for the years ahead. And step number 4 is evaluate your interest. So what passions do you have? It could be writing, knitting, making furniture, painting, pottery, gardening, swimming, traveling, tutoring, even learning a new language. Or maybe you're a serial entrepreneur and want to launch a new company. Perhaps you've done that before and was very successful at it. And maybe now you have a new idea and you would like to try it or expand on something you've already created. So number 1 is take an inventory of your talents. What are you good at or have a natural aptitude for? Second is think of what you love to do as a child. What pursuits light up your life? For me, it was writing. And as a child, I had always wanted to be a writer. However, I never pursued it, nor did I develop my skills for it. But later on, many years later, I have. So just think about before the grown-up part of you convinces you otherwise. Ask, what makes me the happiest? Notice when you lose track of time. What are you doing when that happens? Or what do you hate to stop doing? Number 3 is see your passion hunt as a fun and joyful adventure. So notice the things you enjoy doing, maybe some of the things that you're attracted to trying, and have fun exploring. Well, thank you for joining me today, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please share with a friend and also give this video a thumbs up. And I also want to just give you a heads up about my Solo Aging Master Group coaching. And we meet every Wednesday at 5 p.m. Central Time. And I have the link below and several articles that you can check out to learn more about it. Thank you, and I will see you soon.